A drunk driver lost control of his vehicle, a mass chase for the Pontiac driver, and a drug dealer attempting to flee. On May 14, 2025, at approximately 11:48 a.m., I, Trooper Jess Burris, was advised by dispatch that a White County deputy was in pursuit of a gold Pontiac Grand Am for driving left of center and careless driving near State Highway 385 and State Highway 13. I was en route to the area when the pursuit turned onto Interstate 57 traveling southbound. I intercepted the pursuit at the 45-mile marker. 2 White County deputies were in the pursuit at this time.
I'm trying to take primary. White County's trying to box them in. I'm behind them. See him, that's good. Airport, go tell White County to back off. I'll pit him. See him, that's good. I'll call it out secondary.
Driver 73, felony drug
Or if you can get White County to back off, looks like you're going to make it 42.
Yeah,
TBI.
Airport.
Let me see your hand! Let me see your hand! Get out of the car! Hands up now! Get out of the car!
I, Sergeant Schultz, and several deputies performed a felony takedown of the stalled vehicle. The driver refused to comply with commands to exit the vehicle. A White County deputy deployed a less lethal beanbag round at the vehicle, striking only the vehicle. The driver then exited the vehicle with a beer bottle in his hand and refused commands to get on the ground. Deputy Jeremy Edwards then effectively deployed his taser, striking the subject, causing him to lean against the vehicle before falling to the ground and subsequently being placed under arrest. On May 13th, I was patrolling the area of Interstate 430 south near mile marker 4. I observed a black Acura failing to signal while changing from the middle to the far left lane. After the suspect changed lanes, I observed the suspect vehicle following behind the vehicle in front of him approximately 1 car length. The suspect vehicle refused to pull over, reaching speeds of 86 miles per hour. I continued to follow the vehicle with my emergency license sirens activated.
Bring his camera out above the ridge. Alright, go ahead, put him in the ditch. That's right, turn. There you go. Alright, turn around. You got it. Hands! Over your fucking head! Put your hands up!
I followed the suspect vehicle for approximately half a mile before conducting a successful TBI. After taking the suspect into custody, I conducted a vehicle search. In the driver's door, I located a Glock handgun with a round in the chamber and a 22-round magazine, along with a 9-round magazine. In the backseat, I located a backpack containing multiple different bags of green leafy matter. A scale and small plastic bags were also located in the backpack. On May 14th, at approximately 11:19 p.m., I was patrolling southbound on Interstate 540 when a gray Chevrolet Malibu passed me in the left lane and began to accelerate at a high speed, quickly pulling away from my patrol car. I activated my radar in the same direction and clocked the Malibu at 88 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone.
Seven 524, David Boyd 107 524.
Careful.
Train 6 Fortune, he stopped, but then it kept on going.
I initiated a traffic stop by activating my emergency lights just south of US Highway 64 overpass. However, the Malibu only reduced its speed momentarily before stopping briefly north of the 28th Street overpass. The vehicle then fled from me, reaching speeds of 124 miles per hour.
Still going, driving on their shoulder. He brake checked me, couldn't TBI.
Careful. TBI.
2 Kelly Highway exit.
Careful. Kelly Highway exit.
He just crashed. He crashed. Kelly Highway.
Careful, crashing out. Kelly Highway.
Get out of the car! Get out freaking car! Get on the floor! Get on the floor!
I'm down.
Get on the floor!
I'm down.
Get on the floor! You dummy!
down.
Roll over!
I'm down.
Roll over!
I'm down.
Roll over! Put him on your back!
I'm down, brother.
So dumb!
I'm down, brother.
Shut your mouth!
I'm down, brother.
I conducted a search of the vehicle because a strong odor of marijuana emanated from inside. I found a small baggie containing marijuana in the middle armrest and a beer can in the cup holder. The vehicle's license plate revealed that the suspect was driving with a suspended license due to a previous DWI arrest. O'Neill still has 184 days left on his required use of an ignition interlock device, but there was no interlock device present in the vehicle. Additionally, the license plate displayed insurance information that could not be confirmed. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.